a branch of a tree sat a little tomtit, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. An uncomfortable place for a birdie to sit, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. So I said to him, Birdie, why don't you go away? He said, thanks very much, but I'm planning to stay. I'm going to sit on that branch for the rest of the day, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. So I said to him, Birdie, you look so distraught, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. You're gonna be glad when you'll see what I brought. A pillow, a pillow, a pillow. I said, Birdie, your pardon, I humbly would beg. Put this comfortable pillow right under your leg. He said, leave me alone while I'm laying an egg. Hey, willow, titwillow, titwillow. That night by the light of a matzo ball moon, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. That birdie was singing the same catchy tune, willow, titwillow, titwillow. And I came and I took him right down from his branch, and I brought him back home to my split-level ranch. And I said to my wife, here's a gift for you, Blanche. He sings willow, titwillow, titwillow. Next morning I got up and went to the shop, singing willow, titwillow, titwillow. That tune was so catchy, it just wouldn't stop. Willow, 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 titty, willow, 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 titty, willow, 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 willow. That night I said, Blanche, how's the bird? She said, well, the bird was delicious. It tasted just swell. But as I fricasseed him, he gave out a yell. Oi, willow, it willow, willow.